Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Webflow templates for no-code app building, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Webflow website. Once the home page loads, locate the templates section in the menu. Click on the templates option to explore available designs. You will see a variety of templates sorted by categories. Browse through the categories or use the search function to find specific templates. Select a template that suits your app building needs. On the template page, review the features and design details. Look for the Get This Template button and click on it. This action will redirect you to a purchase page. Check the pricing options and decide whether to proceed with a purchase. If you're satisfied, click on the Purchase button. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you haven't done so already. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Follow the prompts to complete your payment process. Once your payment is successful, you will gain access to the template. Return to the My Projects section of your account dashboard. Locate the newly purchased template in your list of projects. Click on the template to enter the designer interface. Here, you can customize elements based on your app's requirements. When your design is ready, click on the Publish button. Choose a domain to launch your app live. Remember to save your changes regularly throughout the process. Explore the Webflow documentation for additional tips and tricks. You now have the basic framework for your no-code app. Experiment with different features to enhance functionality and design. Continue refining until you're satisfied with the final product. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.